In this video segment, we take a closer look at the RIOS LiTE functionality. RIOS LiTE refers to the smartphone application operating on Android and iPhone smartphones. RIOS LiTE is licensed through virtual ports as shown here. In this particular configuration, 11 RIOS LiTE smartphones are able to simultaneously log into the system. This particular smartphone, the Foxtrot smartphone, will register into the Foxtrot virtual port. To start, double-click the RIOS LiTE icon and select the site to log in. The Foxtrot port will illuminate as shown. Once inside the application, a variety of tabs will be shown to the user. From these tabs, the user can select different functions that are permissioned for this specific user group. This particular user group is licensed for users, channels, assets, groups, video, chat, and maps. Users function as individual clients connected to the system. With users, smartphone users are able to long press to specific assets for direct PTT communications. Users are able to select which user they'd like to communicate with and PTT to that individual user. Channels are custom-made groups that the user is able to input radios and allow for monitor or unmonitor capability. With this, users are able to monitor multiple frequencies of radios that are interconnected to RIOS. Moreover, they're able to long press on a particular radio frequency, shown at the top as their focus. They're able to select an alternative key up and talk on that specific radio. Assets are a direct communication to a radio port. With this configuration, users are able to directly PTT to individual radios or monitor their transmissions. Groups allow the user to create groups or view groups within the system. To create a new group, the user can select New Group, pick the radio they wish to make a connection with, in this case, Radio 5 and Radio 6, and the group is shown within the interface. The user can now PTT directly to that group for interoperated communications into the smartphone. If permissioned for video, the user is able to send video from the individual phone and relay that as shown in the video relay. Snapshots can also be sent with the video tab. Chats operate as chat functionality within the system. Here, the user is able to send a chat message to the system, and users that are within the chat group are able to respond as such. This allows for secure communications within the environment without needing to use external applications. The user is still able to PTT to the individual radio, however their focus is indicated. On the Maps tab, the user is able to launch a map application, and if multiple users are logged in, able to track those assets with the track feature. The user is able to select those particular assets and view their location, if sent, on the screen within the interface.